To calculate this product, we will first of all get rid of some terms. Here we have cosine 3p over 5 and cosine 4p over 5. We know that 3 pi over 5 is pi minus 2 pi over 5, and also 4 pi over 5 is pi minus pi over 5. And since cosine pi minus x is equal to minus cosine x, this product will be equal to, p is equal to cosine pi over 5 cosine 2 pi over 5, and cosine 3 pi over 5 is cosine pi minus 2 pi over 5, and by this relation it will be equal to minus cosine 2 pi over 5. Yeah, the same thing with 4 pi over 5. Cosine 4 pi over 5 is cosine pi minus pi over 5, which is minus cosine pi over 5, minus cosine pi over 5. Good. Here we have 2 minus, which will disappear, and we have cosine pi over 5 2 times, cosine 2 pi over 5 2 times. So our product will be equal to cosine pi over 5 cosine 2 pi over 5 squared. Here we call the inside part of brackets, we call it P1, and P1 we will try to calculate it by a trick. P1 is cosine pi over 5 cosine 2 pi over 5. The trick is to multiply both sides by sine pi over 5, and we will see why. So if we put sine pi over 5 times P1, the first side, this side, is equal to, we multiply the other side, sine pi over 5 cosine pi over 5 cosine 2 pi over 5. And here we will replace this by using a formula that you know is sine 2x equals 2 sine x cosine x. And from this we get that sine x cosine x is 1/2 sine 2x. We use it here first time, so using this, we have sine pi over 5 times P1 equals, so using this, it's 1/2 sine, here we put x equals pi over 5. So sine pi over 5 cosine pi over 5 with x equals pi over 5, it's 1/2 sine 2 pi over 5. And we continue cosine 2 pi over 5. And here again, the same formula will be used here. Same formula. Sine x cosine x is 1/2 sine 2x. So the same product is equal to 1/2. This one is 1/2 sine, and we multiply by 2 because sine x cosine x is 1/2 sine 2x. So this one is 1/2 sine 2 pi over 5. 2 times 2 pi over 5. 2 times 2 pi over 5, which is of course 1/4 sine 4 pi over 5. And we know also that since 4 pi over 5 is pi minus pi over 5, we know also that sine pi minus x equals sine x. Sine x. So this will be equal to 1/4 sine pi over 5. And we are a lot close. Here you see sine pi over 5 times p1 equals 1/4 sine pi over 5. So if we simplify by this term here and here, we get p1 equals 1/4. If you simplify by this and this, I write it here, p1 sine pi over 5. By this simplification, simplify by this term, we get p1 equals 1/4. And so p1 equals 1/4. Since here we have p1 equals 1/4. And finally, we replace it here. We will have our product to p. I will continue here. P is p1 squared, and p1 is 1/4, so it's 1/4 squared, which is, of course, 1/16.